Find the volume of the solid formed by rotating the region enclosed by the curves y equals x equals 0, and y equals 3 about the line y equals 4. This is using the washer method around a different axis. The equation for that is pi times the integral from a to b of whatever line you're rotating it about minus the upper equation, close that, square that, minus whatever line you're rotating it about, minus the lower equation, close it, square it, dx it. Okay? So, if I were to graph this, okay, y equals 3 lives right there, y equals x lives right here, okay, and we're spinning it around y equals 4. So what's going to be created is this weird like triangular looking thing. So basically you have that spun around, right? And you have this weird triangular looking object that's spun completely around. Okay, this would be like half of it. If I were to cut it in half, that's what it would look like. Okay, so yes, this is the washer's method. Now, according to this picture that I have, okay, this is my enclosed region and I'm spinning it around 4. My upper equation is going to be the 3, so you would be my f of x. My lower equation is going to be my x, so you would be g of x, right? I'm shutting you off at 0. You guys intersect at 3, so those are going to be my limits, so that's my a and that's my b. And I'm spinning it around y equals 4, which is going to be that a in there. Probably a poor choice by me using a twice, but that's all right. God will forgive me. So the integral that I can set up is going to be pi from 0 to 3 of 4 minus 3 squared minus 4 minus x squared dx. So pi from 0 to 3 of, thank you Jesus, 1 squared, I can handle that, minus perfect square trinomial is going to make that look like 16 minus 8x plus x squared dx. Distribute that negative. So pi 0 to 3, 1 minus 16 plus 8x minus x squared dx. Pi integral from 0 to 3, combine like terms, negative 15 plus 8x minus x squared dx. I haven't even integrated yet. That's the fun part about this problem. But here I go. Now I can integrate. Pi is still living out there. The integral of negative 15 is negative 15x plus that'll be 1/2, so 4x squared. And that'll just be minus regular 1/3 x cubed with limits at 0 and 3. Let's plug in 3. Pi times negative 15 times 3 plus 4 times 3 squared minus 1/3 times 3 cubed. If I plug in 0, it would be me plugging in 0 and getting 0 plus 0 minus 0 times pi, which is 0, so you get 0. Pi still lives on the outside. Negative 15 times 3 is negative 45. 3 squared is 9. 9 times 4 is 36. 3 cubed is 27 divided by negative 3 is negative 9. All of that becomes negative 18 pi. So that's what this means is I chose the wrong f of x and the wrong g of x. No big deal. The quick fix is just make it positive. You get 18 pi. Yum, yum. 18 pi sounds like a good Thanksgiving to me. Thanks for watching. Please send help.